Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can share your Amazon affiliate link on your YouTube channel or on your YouTube videos description. So first of all, for that you have to go to your Amazon account and you have to copy your affiliate link for a specific product. So for that, just open your Amazon and select any product that you want to share affiliate link. So click on that product. Now when you click on that product, here you will see many products. Just again click on that product description or title. When you click on that product title, now here you will see at the top option called get link. So you have to click on this option get link. When you click on get link, here you can see there are two options, short link and full link. Both are the same, just lengthwise they are changed. So click on this short link and copy this link. When you copy this link, just paste this link to your YouTube channel, video descriptions and other feature where you can paste anything. And this is your link, and whenever people open this link from YouTube and buy anything, you will get your share by affiliate of Amazon.